Alright, for this figure we need to reflect on the y-axis. Okay, so in order to do that, you have to identify the y-axis. The y-axis is the one that runs straight up and down. So in order to move things, you're going to mirror it. Okay, so you keep your x numbers the same, but it will do the exact opposite when you reflect across the y-axis. So the point here, I should probably label these, point A, B, C. I'm going to reflect across. My new point will be, this was 1 to the right, this is going to be 1 to the left. So that was positive 1, this is a negative 1. That becomes A prime. This one is 1, 2, 3 to the left, so this one will be 1, 2, 3 to the right. It becomes B prime.
Riley Busher, please go to room 106.
2 to the right.
Riley Busher to room 106.
So this becomes 2 to the left. Okay, draw your new figure. There's your triangle that's reflected over the y-axis. Okay, for this triangle, I want you to solve for the missing angle, which is x. Okay, since we're doing this together in class for review, remember when you're solving for missing angles, you go ahead and add up all 3 angles. Okay, all 3 angles equal how many degrees? 180. Okay, so I'm going to put in what I know. I know 111, I know 51, and I know x. Okay, now combine like terms. 111 and 151 equals 162, plus x equals 180. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and subtract 162. Okay, so that gone, and x equals 18 degrees. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to rotate this clockwise 270 degrees of the origin. Okay. All right, when we do that, we need to make sure we write our rules first. Okay. Since we're doing from the origin, we're going to have all 3 points. Okay, so how do I get to A from the origin? So from the origin, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. So 4 left, and 1, 2, 3, 4 up. Okay. To B, I am going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 left. Whoop. Let's try writing with the pen. 4 left, and 1, 2 down. Down. Okay. And to point C, from the origin, I'm going to go 1 left, and 1, 2 down. All right. Now we can go ahead and perform our rotation. I'm going to go ahead and, let's see. I'm going to go ahead and do my rotation. It says 270 degrees, and I said clockwise when I said it. So that means I'm going to rotate it counterclockwise. So there's 1, that's 90. That's 180. That is 270. Okay, so we're rotating from the origin. Okay, so I'm going to get a new color, black. Okay, so from the origin, I'm going to go ahead and use my notes, which I just covered up. Whoops. Let's see, where are they? Okay, so 4 left, and what did I write? 4 up. Okay, so 4 left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 up. That's going to put me right there. So that's going to be A prime. Okay, B is 4 left, 2 down. So from the origin, again, 4 left, 2 down. So that's B prime. Looks like a butterfly. And C is going to be 1 left, 2 down. Okay, so 1 left, 2 down, C prime. Draw the triangle. And there's your same triangle that is rotated 270 degrees clockwise. All right, now if I have to tell ordered pairs, I have to rotate it back to my original position. Now I can go ahead and tell my ordered pairs. My ordered pair for A would be 1, 2, 3, 4 left, so that'd be a -4. So A prime is -4, comma, -4. B prime would be 2 right, 2, -4, and C prime would be 2, -1. Okay, for this one we're going to do rotational symmetry, and we're just going to go ahead and use a square for this one. So let's go ahead and draw a square. Okay, we're going to pretend that that's a perfect square. So it's going to have a rotational symmetry. It has 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, and 4 side. Okay, so for rotational symmetry, you take 360 degrees and you divide it by how many sides are they exactly the same. So 360 divided by 4 would be a rotational symmetry of 90 degrees. Okay, let's go ahead and do a dilation. Okay, we're going to use points. Whoop, wrong thing. We're going to use points, 2, 4, and we're going to use a scale factor of k equals 1/2. So in order to find out if this, what that next point would be with the scale factor being 1/2, we're going to go ahead and multiply our 2 times 1/2 and our 4 times 1/2. And that will tell you what your new point is. Okay, so 2 times 1/2 is 1. 4 times 1/2 is 2. So your new point is going to be 1, 2. Okay, so being that this is between 0 and 1, remember, by rule, if the number falls less than 1 is a reduction, greater than 1 is an enlargement. Okay, I know that's a quick review today, but those were a lot of the key points that I wanted to go ahead and put on here for today. Hopefully that helps. Do well. Happy testing.